I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to add a button in Figma. We will start by laying the groundwork for our interactive element. First, create a new frame or select an existing one on your canvas. Then, grab the text tool and type out the label you want for your button. Finally, draw a simple rectangle shape to act as the background, giving your button its initial form. These are the fundamental steps to begin building any button. Now that we have the basic elements, let's make our button visually appealing. Select the rectangle and adjust its fill color to your brand's palette, perhaps a vibrant blue. Give it a smooth look by applying a border radius of 8 pixels. Next, select your text layer and choose a clear font, a size around 16 points, and a contrasting color like white or dark gray. Good styling makes your button inviting and easy to understand. With your button styled, the next crucial step is to organize it and prepare for reusability. Select both your text and rectangle layers. Then, group them together using the keyboard shortcut, which is Command-G on Mac or Control-G on Windows. This keeps your button elements neatly contained. Finally, turn this grouped button into a component. This powerful feature allows you to create multiple instances of your button throughout your design, saving you significant time. Once your button is a component, using it across your design becomes incredibly simple. Open the Assets panel and drag instances of your new button component onto any frame. The beauty of components is that you can easily override specific properties, like changing the text label or even the background color, on individual instances without affecting the main component. This ensures design consistency while offering flexibility, making your workflow much more efficient and your designs cohesive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.